How to use and adjust slow motion on your Samsung phone. So if you want to record slow motion videos and also adjust its speed and the time frame of the slow motion part, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead and open camera. And now on the bottom, swipe left to access More tab. Here you will see a bunch of features from which we need to choose slow motion. Also, we have super slow-mo, but in this video we're going to discuss basic slow motion video. So tap on that, and now we just need to record the slow motion video. I'm gonna just take this cleansing gel and record it just like that. I guess that's enough. Now immediately tap the gallery icon in the bottom left. And this is the slow motion video I got. So to adjust it, we're gonna tap on the pen icon on the bottom. And now we can adjust this video. If you tap this line with many dotted lines, like this many small lines in the middle, you will see option 1/8. This is for speed, so you can tap on that and switch to 1/4 or maybe a half, which stands for different FPS. So you can tap on that and check how it will differ. For example, this is quicker version. This one will be a little bit slower, and 1/8 is the slowest, just like that. And also sometimes it could be that the part you want to see in slow-mo is captured not exactly like you wish to see it. So for example, I want for slow-mo only this part from here. So what to do? For that, we can just drag the left hand of this line on the top right here to the place where we want to start slow motion. So now the slow motion will start from this point. Let's drag it to the very beginning to see how it will look. And now as you can see, the slow-mo starts right from the beginning. So this is how you can adjust parts which will be in normal speed from here to here. And this one will be in slow-mo. And basically you can do the same with the end of the video. For example, I can make only this little part as a slow-mo. Let's check the result. So this is normal speed, slow-mo, and now normal speed again. Don't forget to tap save in the top right and choose either to save as original or save as copy to get 2 videos. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.